Assalamu alaikum grade 2. Welcome to online classes. We are starting assignment number 8, which is about multimedia. Okay, we have covered the topics how we can write a essay on my hobbies, or how we can add different formatting in it, how can I change the text in it. Okay, how can I insert a text box. We will learn how to make up posters, okay, with the help of the titles. Okay, we have to add a title in our documents, in the Word documents. Word document is used for typing the documents, for writing the essays. Okay, now our new topic 5.4 is change the size of the images. We have insert the images. I told you how you can insert the image with the help of the insert, okay, tools. Okay, then there is an option of picture. We can insert a picture which we have saved in on our PC. Okay, in this assignment we will cover how to move images on a page, how to make images smaller or larger. Okay, Oliver has put an image of books on into his posters. We have typed a topic that my hobbies, and we have typed in a Zoom class that we love reading books. Okay, then we insert the images related to the readings books. Here we insert a image related to the books and libraries, and how to move an image. Okay, click on the image that we want to move. Okay, then there are numbers of options related to the formatting of images available. Okay, we will click on the image, then a layout option, then there on the layout option there is numbers of options are available. The text, wrapping text in line with text. Click on any of the button in this box. Okay, on the right on the screen you can see there are numbers of options available. Okay, we can insert images with the text too. Okay, that image will be come in front, in between of the text. Then there is also an option that text will come in front of the images, text will go on the back of the images. There are numbers of different layout. We will select according to our requirement. Okay, first we will click the buttons, layout option button, and then their numbers of options will available, okay, in front of us. Then we'll select the layout according to our requirement. Now then when we click the layout, you can see that that image is covered with the rectangular. Okay, and there are arrow keys. We can drag and drop to change the size of the images, smaller and larger. Okay, we can also change, rotate the location or direction of the images with the help of the arrow key. Okay, then we can, it's up to us that we can change. We can drag on the left side or on the right side. We can also place the image on the right side. We can also place the image on the left side. We can also place the image on the top, on the bottom. It's according to our requirement. Okay, we can change the size of the image like this. Okay, now your activity number 1 is open your file called my hobby, which we have already saved with the name of my hobby. Change the size of the images in your posters. Move the image to the middle of the page and save your file. Okay, we have already done. We have make a poster with the help of my hobbies. In that we have insert the images. Okay, and then we save it. Okay, now you have to open that file which is already saved in our PCs, and we can select on the layout option, and then we can drag and drop the images. We have to drag the images in the middle of the page, and then we have to save the file. 5.5 add shapes. How to add shape as the text box. Shape text box, we have learned how to add a text box. We can put our text anywhere on the page using the text box. I told you the text box is specially used for inserting the text when we are using the images. Okay, when we write to when we want to write, we want to describe about our images. Okay, click insert, click shape, choose a shape, drag the shape to the right size and place it. Okay, they are the 3 steps. Fourth is type here. When we drag the text box, then it will indicate by the square against that and blink, and the cursor blink that you have to write the text in this box. You can write the text and then enter it. Okay, in this way we can add the text in images. Change the look of the text box. If we want to change, how we can change? Click format, click shape, fill to shape of the color size. We can change the shape, we can change the fill style, we can change the outline color, we can also change the we can also insert the effects, okay, emboss effect, shadows, drop shadows like this. Okay, click shape effect to make the change edge look like number now there are numbers of options available related to the text box. Okay, now activity number 2, open your file called my hobby, add a shape to your poster. We have to add any shapes, triangle, square, diamonds. Okay, add an important message inside the shape. For example, have you made friend doing your hobbies? Okay, have you made friend doing your hobbies? Example, it's an example. You can insert any other text. Make the box look the way you want. Save your file. You can emboss the images, you can change the outline, you can change the fill color of the shape, and you have to save it. It's up to you how you want to make your image more attractive, more clear, and more readable. Okay, 5.6, complete a poster. Now we are completing a poster. First we have type a text, second we insert image, third we now text, we have inserted text. Now we are completing a posters. Okay, how to put text and images together on a page, especially elements mean leaflets, posters, and brochures all given us information. Actually, word is not only used for typing the documents, for the letter typing, or for making the documents. We can also create our posters, our brochures, or leaflet related to the medicines, related to the any institute, any restaurants like opening near in your country, in your cities. Okay, they will all design with the help of the word. Okay, we can understand the information better when text and images are used together on the page. Sometimes images are not that much clear that they can explain themselves. So for explaining the images, we have to insert the text. Sometimes texts are not attractive to grab the attention of the audience. We have to insert the images. Okay, so in this topic we will learn that we have to insert images with the text. Okay, the posters, we have making a posters about the favorite hobbies at different parts or element, like my hobby, a title. Okay, this is the title. Body, in the body text we have writing with the help of the text box. Then there is an images about the topic related. I like books reading, or like capturing the pictures. Okay, then you can insert the cameras pictures, you can insert the nature related pictures. Okay, the shape given importance, like if there's something important, like I am launching my photography shop near surrounding your area, so you have to make that information in some shapes, like diamond, like cloud. Okay, opening time, closing time, like any discounts you are giving to your audience, to your readers, like this. Okay, then their caption explain what image is about. Okay, sometimes you are achieve something, there you have inserting in your posters, in your brochures, that you have won some prize on this image, on that you will insert that image, and with that image you will explain with the help of text box that with the help of this image I have learned this award, I have this certificate, like this is the picture which I captured when I was 6 year or 5 year old, like this is about the natures, like this. Okay, you have to make the poster. Activity, open your my hobby file. Can you make any improvement to your poster? We have already make a poster. Now we have to add few things. Add new text and images, change the size of the text box, change the size of images. Now move text and images around. In our previous topic we will learn how we can move the images around the document, left, right. Okay, layout. With the help of layout we will move the text and images. With the help of the layout we can change the size of the images, drag and drop inside, outward. Okay, we can also change the text box layout with the help of the text box. Okay, shape fill, shape outlines, like. Okay, effects of the shapes. Now student, we have completed our multimedia chapter number 3. Okay, hope you can now solve your assignment number 8, which is very interesting and which is about Microsoft Word. Okay, so please complete the assignment before the deadline. Chapter 3, multimedia, my hobbies. Okay, now please stay at your home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.